In this video, we will learn how to add a new supplier to your contact list with Inventory Pro.
First, click the Contact drop-down in the sidebar. It should open a drop-down menu. Then click the Suppliers tab. Now you can see we are on the Suppliers page. Now, to add a new supplier, click on the Add button. We need to fill this pop-up form with supplier details. Select supplier type, where individual or business. Then, let's fill the empty fields with his first name, middle name, and last name. You can always skip the optional fields. Also, fill in the contact number and other info. If you wish, then you can also add more detailed information for this contact. For now, we skip that. And then hit the Save button. Cool. Now you can see the supplier details in a list. That's all we need.